Hey everyone, welcome back to Story Spree Studios. And if you're new, welcome. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the negativity around you? What if I told you there's a movement that's fighting back with hope and positivity? Stick around to find out how you can be part of this game-changing trend. Every single day, millions of us wake up, reach for our phones, and within seconds, we're pulled into a flood of negativity. It's almost unavoidable. The news is filled with stories of crisis and conflict. Social media is full of arguments, criticism, and unrealistic comparisons. The world feels like it's moving too fast, and no matter what we do, there's always something that makes us feel like we're not doing enough, not good enough, not happy enough. It's exhausting, isn't it? We keep scrolling, thinking we're just catching up, staying informed, but deep down, we feel more drained, more frustrated, and sometimes even more hopeless than before. But what if I told you, it doesn't have to be this way? What if, instead of drowning in negativity, we could fill our minds with something different? Something that reminds us that life is still beautiful, that kindness still exists, and that no matter how dark things seem, there is always hope. This is exactly why a new movement is rising. A movement that is quietly changing lives. A movement that is proving that positivity still has a place in this world. It's called Hopecore. Hopecore isn't just another internet trend, it's a shift in mindset, a conscious choice to focus on the light instead of the darkness. It's about surrounding ourselves with stories, messages, and moments that lift us up instead of dragging us down. You see, the internet has the power to shape how we feel. The content we consume daily affects our thoughts, our emotions, and even our actions. And for too long, negativity has dominated the space. But now, something incredible is happening. People are choosing hope. Instead of feeding into the negativity, they're creating content that inspires, uplifts, and encourages. And the impact? It's real. Thousands, even millions, of people are now replacing doom scrolling with hope scrolling, watching videos, reading stories, and engaging with messages that make them feel inspired rather than exhausted. Instead of feeling drained after spending time online, they're feeling motivated, empowered, and reminded that life is worth fighting for. But here's the most beautiful part of Hopecore. It's not about pretending life is perfect. It's not about ignoring the challenges or struggles. It's about finding strength in the middle of the struggle. It's about recognizing that even on our worst days, there's still a reason to keep going. Think about this. How many times have you been feeling low, only for a simple message, a kind word, or an unexpected act of kindness to completely shift your mood? That's the power of hope. And in today's world, where people are constantly searching for meaning, for encouragement, for something to hold on to, hope has never been more important. And here's where you come in. You don't need to be a celebrity. You don't need a huge following. You don't need to have it all figured out. All you need is the willingness to spread hope. It can be something as simple as leaving a kind comment on someone's post, sending a thoughtful message to a friend who might be struggling, sharing an inspiring video that reminds someone that they are not alone. These small acts may seem insignificant, but to someone out there, they could mean everything. So, let's do something different. Let's break the cycle of negativity. Let's create a space where encouragement is louder than criticism, where kindness is more common than hate, and where hope is stronger than fear. If this message resonates with you, I encourage you, be the reason someone believes in hope again. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Leave a comment below with something positive. And most importantly, remember that no matter what you're going through, hope is always within reach. Because in the end, the world doesn't just need more content. It needs more kindness, more courage, more hope. And that starts with us. It starts with you. If you like the video and want to watch more like this one, do like, share and subscribe, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Thank you. Have a good day ahead with no negativity.